Blockchain projects focused on optimizing the energy sector are gaining traction as greater emphasis is placed on conservation and efficiency. And this is where the EnergyWebToken comes in. But what is it? How does it work? To learn all about EWT, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what EWT is. So be sure to be attentive, because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Concerns about energy production, resource consumption, and its impact on the environment are one of the dominant topics of debate on the global stage. The intensive energy costs of mining Bitcoin and other proof-of-work cryptocurrencies are also frequently pointed to as a severe downside to the emerging asset class. While environmental concerns and the cost-to-reward debate rages on, one group of cryptocurrency projects aims to bring blockchain technology to the global energy grids to encourage renewable energy generation through a flexible marketplace that connects energy buyers and sellers. EnergyWebToken, native token EWT, is the operational token for the EnergyWeb chain, an open-source enterprise blockchain designed to support and further application development for the energy sector. The EnergyWeb Foundation is a Swiss non-profit organization that describes itself as the leading alliance for blockchain developments in the energy industry. In 2019, the non-profit released the world's first open-source blockchain for businesses in the energy sector, the EnergyWeb chain. It is now referred to as a sustainable cryptocurrency. The foundation is focused on building core infrastructure and shared technology to create a low-carbon, customer-centric electricity system. It is primarily concerned with transactional energy applications, focusing on prosumer-oriented use cases. Prosumer is composed of the English language words for producer and consumer, and refers to institutional electricity providers in the sharing and internet economies. In simple terms, it refers to energy consumption in a household context, where private households act as demanders in the energy market. Private households have the opportunity to generate renewable electricity and heat. As a result, they are among the important market participants for local energy suppliers, grid operators, and energy service providers. EnergyWeb focuses on decentralized solutions to implement the energy transition and supports prosumers and energy suppliers with blockchain-based applications. From EnergyWeb's perspective, the potential of this technology can be applied across the entire energy sector. Future-oriented market and business models will emerge through the increased participation of private households and realized with EnergyWeb's decentralized open-source technology. More than 100 energy market participants are now connected and using the front-end applications, software toolkits, and EnergyWeb chain. This blockchain platform is tailored specifically for companies in the energy sector. Transactional energy applications are decentralized, decarbonized, and digital energy systems. Therefore, distributed generators like solar and wind and electric vehicles, heat pumps, and stationary storage systems are essential for the energy transition and the future energy market. Blockchain is creating networks between residential power generators and energy suppliers. The technology can validate transactions efficiently and securely in the decentralized network. This also considers user preferences and network constraints, creating new business models between consumers, prosumers, energy producers, and grid operators. EnergyWeb enables the control of energy production and consumption. Surplus electricity can be fed into the existing local grid and purchased directly from the consumer for compensation. Today, EnergyWeb is the world's largest energy sector ecosystem. The native utility token protects the network from misbehavior and compensates auditors via transaction fees. In addition, the token can be used to pay for services offered by dApps. The EWT is also offered on crypto exchanges such as Kraken, Bitmart, and Liquid. A web-based custom wallet based on open source, the MyCrypto wallet. There are currently over 58 million tokens in circulation. Their number is expected to grow to the maximum amount of 100 million over 10 years. The EnergyWeb team holds just over 14 million and uses them for foundation and operational funds. In addition, 10 million pieces belong to the founding organizations and are locked up until June 2021. There are just over 4 million tokens in the community fund. This means there are currently about 30 million tokens in free circulation. Users and application developers are not required to use EWT for their own applications beyond paying transaction fees on the EW blockchain. Instead, they can use cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies and second-layer tokens necessary for their respective applications. The native EWT is not an ERC20 token, but can be minted via a token bridge and the Web Energy UI app, and then transferred quickly and cheaply from the EnergyWeb chain to the Ethereum mainnet. The EnergyWebToken platform was built out of a desire to rethink energy conservation efforts. Currently, most energy upgrades are accomplished via major upgrades to the physical infrastructure. Sadly, this strategy is expensive and cumbersome. Also, it completely ignores the fact that interconnectivity would provide more benefit than separate improvements. The EnergyWebToken platform utilizes sensors and software to enhance electrical power usage and provide new opportunities in the market. The system empowers anyone to offer any power asset to a global community of users via an open and censorship-resistant market. The EnergyWebToken is a customer-centric, open-source blockchain. The platform borrows many technical aspects from Ethereum to simplify DApp developer onboarding. As such, the network is secure, reliable, and fully EVM compatible. The incentivization strategy of the platform upends the traditional centralized business model in place today and replaces it with a more democratic and inclusive option. Users can secure passive rewards by sharing their energy assets with the network or providing other services. By connecting these islands of energy creation, regular users can now get in on the trillion-dollar energy service markets. The EnergyWebToken is a global community of more than 100 energy market participants. These firms span the gauntlet from service providers to renewable energy markets and distributed energy resources. The EnergyWebToken continues to find new partners that share a more sustainable market vision. Since EnergyWebToken token has started to gain good figures, many new traders are attracted to EWT tokens. The current price of the token is coin price, and in its beginning stage it was getting rapid market moves. At the time this video is uploaded, the price of EnergyWebToken price today is $6.10, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,747,386. EnergyWebToken is up 11.84% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 180, with a live market cap of $183,454,120. It has a circulating supply of 30,062,138 EWT coins and a maximum supply of 100 million EWT coins. The EnergyWeb Foundation plans to release a maximum supply of 100 million EWT coins over 10 years after the initial release date. Currently, there are 48,638,535 EWT coins available on the market for trading. For January, the price of EnergyWebToken is predicted to reach an average monthly limit of $6.41, while the coin will trade between a maximum of $6.59 and a minimum of $5.80. According to the EnergyWebToken forecast price and technical analysis, in 2022, the EWT price is expected to cross an average price level of $9.22. The expected minimum price value of EnergyWebToken by the end of the current year should be $8.91. Moreover, EWT can reach a maximum price level of $10.60. Out of the total supply, 14,093,276 tokens were distributed to the EnergyWeb team as an endowment. Another 10 million EWT tokens were given to 2 founding organizations. However, there is a waiting period until June 2021 when these tokens will become tradable. A further 4,061,709 tokens were dedicated to a community fund, which should continue increasing over 10 years. The EnergyWeb virtual machine operates under a proof of authority consensus. This means that the blockchain relies on trusted validators to create new blocks. The POA consensus is an alternative validation method, and it allows faster processing times than the proof-of-work consensus. While the EWT coin is not an ERC20 token, the EnergyWeb team has created the alternative EWT bridged token, allowing EWT coins to be transferred to the Ethereum mainnet. This makes the EWT coin extraordinarily versatile and allows for interoperability across different blockchains. EnergyWebToken's value is expected to expand, as shortage tends to encourage price rise. But before investing, always remember that there is some risk to any investment. Just invest in what you can accomplish before coming to any conclusions and conduct the maximum research possible. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on EWT? Let us know in the comments section below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.